I wanted to recover these old pressed board shelves, and a friend gave me some wallpaper, which I assumed had stick on the back already, sticky stuff. So I just wet it and, well, I cut it to fit the shape and then wet it and tried to put it on there. By the way, to do that, you basically need 4 or 5 arms and hands, which I did not have, so it was kind of frustrating. But it kept curling up, so I realized it did not have stick on the back of it. And I did a quick 2-minute research about wallpaper glue that you can make, and there's like 5 ingredients and you had to cook it, and I was like, yeah, no, I'm not going to do that. So I went to my shed and got some old Elmer's glue, a gallon that I had left over from art camps, and used that on the back of the wallpaper, and it seems to be doing just fine. And my dogs were very helpful to me. Here I am getting it finished up and then unpacking books onto it. And I think the result was very nice.